In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Hostinger account with someone else, providing them with the access they need while maintaining secure control of your account. This can be incredibly helpful for collaborating with team members, allowing them to manage certain services, or even giving a trusted person the ability to make purchases on your behalf. First things first, you'll want to log into your Hostinger account. You can do this by heading to Hostinger's website and entering your credentials in the Login section. Once you're logged in, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll find your profile icon. Give it a click, and a drop-down menu will appear before you. You'll want to select the option that says Account Sharing. This will navigate you to the Account Sharing page, which is where you can control and delegate access to your account. Now that you're on the Account Sharing page, it's time to grant access to the new user. There's a button right there that says Grant Access. Go ahead and click on it. You'll see a field asking for the email address of the person you want to share your account with. Type in their email address here, taking care to double check for any typos. It's vital to ensure you're inviting the right person. After that, you'll be presented with options for the level of access. You can choose between a collaborator or an admin. A collaborator can manage services, which is great if you need someone to handle regular maintenance or updates. On the other hand, an admin can manage services and make purchases. Select the level that suits the responsibilities you want them to have. Next, choose the specific services you wish to grant them access to. This could include particular websites or hosting plans, depending on what your requirements are. Once you're satisfied with your selections, click Grant Access. At this point, the ball is in the recipient's court. They'll receive a confirmation email from Hostinger containing an invitation link. It's essential they click this link to accept your invitation. If they don't already have a Hostinger account, they'll need to create one, something that's straightforward and usually takes just a few moments. Once they're logged into their account, they'll find your shared account conveniently located under the Managed Accounts section. This is where they can access only what's been granted to them, keeping everything nicely organized. And there you have it, 3 simple steps to effectively share access to your Hostinger account. It's a process designed to safeguard your account while empowering collaboration or assistance. Use these steps anytime you need to adjust who has access, and you'll continue to manage your hosting needs seamlessly. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful.